What's going on? Jobber just announced a bunch of new features that are going to be super powerful for home service businesses. They announced this through their Jobber Now event at the end of September 2025. And some of these new features are really awesome. Of course, they include a lot of AI features. So we're going to touch on some of the key ones today that they announced so that you can learn how to use them and make your business even more efficient. So let's dive in. First up, we have the AI Receptionist. So you'd find this on the left-hand navigation pane under Receptionist. And this is an add-on feature, so you'd add this to your existing plan. But this is really powerful, and basically it's a 24/7 answering service that handles all calls from customers, so you can automate that and really never miss a call from the lead, close more business, and it's really powerful. I've listened to some of the demos here. I'll just give you a quick
Like more details
listen.
about this service, or are you interested in booking an appointment?
Power raking?
Power reiki is a process that removes the layer of dead grass. Also,
So you can see that the voice sounds really natural, and it can book appointments with customers, take their information, access your own company data. So this is a really powerful tool to automate phone calls with clients, and it can even text for you. So if a client texts you, it can respond and access your company data, and then kind of follows your lead intake instructions that you set. And it has its own dashboard, so you can see in real time its kind of performance stats, how many jobs acquired from it, how many requests. So this is really important for businesses that want to automate that process. And so what Jobber is trying to do is really, with AI, it's really trying to turn it into your smartest employee so that there's a lot more hands-off work, a lot less admin from you, tapping buttons, clicking buttons on desktop or on mobile. So it's really trying to become an actual employee that does the work for you instead of you prompting it to do things. So next we can talk about the voice commands that you can prompt Jobber with on the mobile app. So you can ask it to draft quotes, for instance. You can send quotes. You can add team members to jobs. You can even ask it how to grow revenue. If you set up this new feature too called goals, it can walk you through how to grow your business. So it'll access your company data and then use its own insights to be able to provide suggestions on how to grow your business. So if we go over to the gear icon, go over to Jobber Labs, and we turn this on business goals here. So it's a tailored monthly report showing what's working, what's not, and where to focus. You'll also receive personalized recommendations and KPI targets to boost cash flow, grow clients, and save time. So it's in the beta stage right now, but if you're really looking to grow, this is definitely a huge opportunity. So the AI can access your current business data and give you tailored advice on how to do that. So I have my phone here. I'm on the mobile app, and I want to walk through setting up a quote using voice commands with Jobber AI. So we'll do that now. So in the top right-hand corner, there's a sparkle icon on the app.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to draft a quote.
Who's the client for this new quote?
Joe Garcia.
Which property of Joe Garcia is this quote for?
His main property.
What line items would you like to include in this quote?
Do one faucet replacement for $150.
How would you like to send the quote to Joe after it's created? Email, SMS, or both?
Let's do both, please.
Everything's set. Should I finalize the quote now?
Yes.
I'm creating a quote for Joe Garcia's main property and adding in the specified line items. Once done, I'll send it via email and SMS. Finalizing the quote now for Joe. Sending the quote to the client via email and SMS now.
So that worked pretty well. I could see if you were driving to the next job, you could quickly use the voice commands to send a quote and do some other admin work. And that was a pretty seamless process. You might experience, a few hiccups. It sounded like a human I was speaking to. So let's try another one here.
Hi, how can I help you?
How can I grow revenue in my business?
You could focus on offering package deals, upselling services, or improving customer retention with loyalty programs. Let me know if you want to explore any of these further.
Yeah, what are some loyalty programs that I can implement in my business?
You could offer discounts for return customers, referral bonuses, or a point system where clients earn rewards. Even something simple like a discount after a certain number of services can boost loyalty. Want help setting up something like that?
Yeah, how could I integrate that into Jobber?
You could use custom fields or notes.
Within client profiles to track loyalty rewards. You could also apply discounts manually when invoicing loyal customers. Let me know if you want to set up any tracking or notes for certain clients.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Just let me know if you need any more help with it.
So that was another great feature you can use to help grow your business. It's definitely like your business coach so that you can kind of get a roadmap on what you need to do to grow your business and then how to actually implement that with the systems in Jobber. So next I want to talk about some of the marketing and growth features that Jobber has rolled out. Now when you close out a job, a review link will be sent to your client. You can also set up referral links to be sent to your client. So that's huge from a growth standpoint. Also, what's great is they have this new marketing campaigns feature. So if we go over to the left navigation pane, go over to marketing, go to campaigns, AI will generate a marketing campaign for you. So if you literally just type in this box, tell it what you want the campaign to be, the goal of it, your target clients, any special requests, the AI will draft an email for you, and then it'll also go through your client list and select the clients that would be ideal for this specific campaign. So that's amazing. That saves so much time. I know for my own business, when I'm creating campaigns, I'd have to go through manually and add those clients to the campaign. But now this campaign generator will do that for you automatically. So again, it just saves so much time. You can blast out campaigns and get more business right away. And then also, if you don't have a website yet, or you want to change your website and kind of integrate it more with Jobber, Jobber can now build websites for you really quickly. It handles all of the SEO for you, all of the back end stuff, so that you can just get, a client-facing, polished website up and running, and it'll be integrated into your Jobber account, where you can set up online booking and really get the ball rolling for your business. Jobber now allows you to have some smarter sales tools within the software. So if we go over, click sales, we have this sales pipeline feature now. Just like with the goals feature, you have to go to Jobber Labs and turn it on there. But this is just like kind of a more organized, smarter way to track everything coming in. You have new requests here, and then you can track the request at various stages. So this is just another visual tool to help you run your business better. So the last key feature I wanted to talk about that Jobber has rolled out is the Supplier Catalog feature. Now, they partnered with the Home Depot. So again, if you go over to Jobber Labs, click the gear icon on your account, go down to Jobber Labs, you can turn this on. And this allows you to embed the products that Home Depot has on their website into your quoting process. So as you're quoting, you type in a search term, and then you can search Home Depot's catalog and then have a list of products and their details, and then select what you need. So it just gives you access to real-time pricing data from Home Depot's website. So it really just cuts down, as you're quoting, and if you shop at Home Depot a lot, you're bouncing back and forth between tabs, looking for specific pricing on different products. So this allows you to have it integrated into Jobber so that you can streamline your quoting process. So there you have it. Those are some of the big key features that Jobber has rolled out in 2025. Now, I hope you, as a service provider watching this, kind of got some ideas on how you can use these tools with your current Jobber account, or if you're new to Jobber, how you can implement these in your business to really grow your business and reduce the frustration associated with, different admin work. Jobber is really committed to putting time back in home service pros' pockets and just creating more tools to give you more control, have you earn more profit, and give you more freedom in your business. So if you're interested in signing up for Jobber, I have a link down in the description for you to check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.